Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check the projector's HDMI or USB-C input and supported resolution, because Chromecast outputs specific modes. Next, power the Chromecast from a wall adapter, not the projector's low-current USB, to avoid reboot loops. Once powered, switch the projector to the correct input and open the Google Home app on your phone. Make sure your phone and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network. Now tap to add a device. Follow the on-screen pairing prompts and proceed to configure name and room. Once the device appears in Google Home, you configure video and audio so the picture looks right. Set the Chromecast output to match the projector's native resolution and aspect ratio to prevent stretching. This also reduces scaling latency. Decide audio routing. Use the projector's speakers, an AV receiver, or add an HDMI audio extractor if the projector drops sound. If Wi-Fi is unstable, plug a USB Ethernet adapter into the Chromecast for reliable bandwidth. Finally, enable guest mode if others need to cast without joining your network. Now start casting. From Chrome, choose Cast tab, or from your phone, pick the Chromecast device. Mirror when you need full-screen duplication, cast a tab or app for video. Make sure the projector's keystone, focus, and lamp mode are optimized for contrast and brightness, because physical alignment affects perceived quality. If you see no image, first check input selection, HDMI power, and Wi-Fi connectivity, then reboot the Chromecast and projector. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the Chromecast as the final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.